Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this SilverStone PSU. It's an ATX PSU, but it's a flex format. So it's very tiny. So this is the box. As you can see, it has a 80 plus gold rating. So it's very efficient. Yeah, it's they call it silent, but I don't believe in that. It has a ATX connector 20 and 24 pin, so 20 plus 4 pin, and then CPU 4 plus 4 pin, and then also PCIe Express 6 ports. That's not standard. Normally it's 8 ports. 6 ports is only up to 150 watts, I believe. And then you have 3 SATA connectors, the Molex, and a floppy. So this is the box. We are going to unbox this now. So as you can see, there is some manual in it, some power cable, and then the PSU itself and some screws. So voila, this is the box. The box is empty. Don't forget to subscribe because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win, you will get notified. You can win laptops, Bluetooth stuff, computer stuff, all kind of things. So please don't forget to subscribe because you can win very nice prizes. So this is the PSU. It's not that big. You see here the cables. I go to weight it. I have a scale somewhere. Where is the scale? Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second, please. Okay, I have here the scale. So I go to put it on the scale. This weight. Oh. This weighs 365 grams with the cables, and then this cable also included. I will reset it because I don't believe it's that good. Okay, now it's reset. It's not 900 grams, 930 grams, 940 grams, and with this power cable it weighs 1 kilo and 103 grams, 1.1 kilogram with all the cables. So this is the PSU. So we go also to check the cables in total, how long it is. So here you can see it. Voila, these are all the cables. It looks very professional. It looks very professional. So yeah. This is the 24 pin ATX connector, but you can make 20 pin from it with this. Then I'm not sure for what this is. This is for booting the system. And then you have here a CPU PCI Express connector, and then Molex, and then 3 SATAs, I believe here, 3 SATAs, and then you also have a CPU, 8 pin CPU. So you see it. So this is the version 1.0. We go to test it later. So voila, this is it. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like it if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe because of the prizes. And I see you later. Bye bye.